In this video, I'll show you how to set up and to use the auxiliary input on your new Pioneer in-dash receiver. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may be a 1-DIN model or a 2-DIN model and may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio in-dash receiver models: MVH-S320BT and 322BT, MVH-S420BT, MVH-S522BS, MVH-S620BS and 622BS, MVH-S720BHS, DEH-S4200BT and 4220BT, DEH-S5200BT, DEH-S6220BS and 6220BS, DEH-S7200BHS, FHS520BT, FHS720BS and 722BS. So here's the auxiliary input right beside the USB port here. Here's the USB port, and right below it is the auxiliary input on my receiver. And I want to play back some music through the auxiliary input. So maybe plug into my phone or another music player, a 3.5mm jack, and plug the other end in right here. So first thing I want to do is check the source. So I'm going to switch to, right now I'm on the AM/FM radio, and I want to switch to the auxiliary source. So I'm going to press the SRC or the source button here. There's Bluetooth apps, there's Pandora, there's Spotify, there's Bluetooth audio, and there's the radio. Wait, auxiliary isn't here. What do I do if auxiliary doesn't show up on my source list? That's easy to fix. Let's take a look. So let's press in on the volume control from any source, and we'll roll along here until we find the system menu. Here's system, let's press enter, and let's roll along here until we find auxiliary. And there it is. You can see that auxiliary right now is switched off. Let's press in on the volume control, and now auxiliary is switched on. Let's press the go back button here. That takes us back out to the source. We're on the AM/FM radio. And we'll just touch the source button a few times until we find auxiliary. There we go. Auxiliary is available. So all I have to do is take my 3.5mm jack here and plug it into the front of the in-dash receiver. I'll take the other end and plug it into my phone. Now, before you start to play some music, make sure that your volume is up about half or 3/4 of the way on your phone before you adjust the volume on the in-dash receiver.